My baby Kari came home for a visit. And she went to Davis Produce because she wanted all those good fresh vegetables. And she had me cook so much fresh corn on the cob that I had a bucket full left over. And I said, I'm not throwing this corn away. I'm going to make a corn salad. And I try not to cook any kind of corn except white Silver Queen corn. And Sherry at Davis Produce told Teresa, don't ever cook your corn any way but in the microwave. You put them in just like, well, I'll show you. Put them in the microwave just like this, just like that, y'all, and cook it 4 minutes per cob. So we cooked 4. This is not leftover, but this is what I recommend when you do have leftover corn. So I went to the refrigerator to see what all I had, and I found a half of a red bell pepper. I found a cucumber, and I had some onion. Found a little bit of avocado, found some celery. So I decided that this knife is too big to do this with. I like to just cut. I can't do that with a butcher knife, y'all. I don't know who I'm kidding. But I like to take my cucumbers and do them just like this. Just cut a little strip out. Leave a little green showing. And just go around like that. I just like that better than having it not peeled or having it peeled all the way. To me, this just gives it a little character, you know. So if you want your food to have character, do it like that. All right, so I found that. Found my onion. And Vidalias are coming in good now, y'all. This is a Vidalia onion. I got a friend that I never could teach him how to say Vidalia. He'd say Vidalia, Vidalia, or something like that. Steve Tong. We practiced, but he couldn't do it. I just went out to Steve's place in Missouri. He opened up the neatest little market, service station and market, and he had everything. All right, so I'm gonna chop my onion. Michael just bought me this cutting board. And I think I like it, but if it gets the least bit damp, it like slips and slides on you. You know? Can you see how that's doing like that, Teresa?
Still a little dance.
Yeah. Make a little love and get down tonight. All right, so I'm going to take my cucumber. And it doesn't have to be pretty, but it does have to taste good. All right, that'll probably be enough. And then I found this little piece of celery. The hearts are my favorite part of celery. I love using the leaves. If you don't have any celery, you can use celery seed. Oh yeah, see this is the best part right here.
Well, this is the kitchen sink corn salad?
Yeah, kind of. Just whatever you got. I tell you what really makes it, and that's the avocado. But I don't have much, so. What is that? It's cucumber. Okay. I think that's all I could find. Oh, and Teresa Rand Davis and Sherry sent her back with all these little tomatoes. These are baby heirloom tomatoes. And it's like eating a little square cube of sugar. So good. So good. All right, so now we're going to move on to our corn. And let's just see which end fits. Okay, that one fits better. And we just going to cut our corn right off the cob. So, because we're working with sweet corn, the other night I put just a little squeeze of sugar, not a whole bunch, maybe a tablespoon of sugar, and eeny, meeny, miny, moe. All right, I'll do a little red wine. And I think it's kind of like the smell of that, nice wine. Okay. So I like to make my wheat ingredients separate naturally. Got to have some mayonnaise to go with that corn. You know, so this is strictly whatever you want. All right, I'm going to add a little crushed black pepper. A little salt, but not much, because this is going to be a sweeter salad. Now I'm going to add stuff that I found. Stuff that I found.
Smells good.
Does smell good, doesn't it? Okay, which tomatoes? These have all been washed, so I can just grab and go. Like I said, this is a real easy dish, especially if you're using leftover corn on the cob. Makes it super simple. Okay, so here we go. And I may have to add some more mayonnaise. May have to add more vinegar. We'll just have to see. Okay, now for the taste test. And this will tell me everything I need to know. I think that I'm going to need to add some apple cider to it because it has more of a punch than those other two vinegars. And I'm going to add some more ground pepper. And now I'm going to find the celery seed, which I know I have. Just take me a minute to find it. There it is. So it didn't take me too long, did it? Because I didn't add much celery, so the seeds will give it a little kick. Okay. I want a tomato. It's getting there. It's getting there, y'all. Just taste it until you like it. That tomato was delicious. All right, now I'm going to try to get... We don't charge for that. The silk from the corn. I think it's perfect now. So we are good to go. That vinegar's getting me. So I'll put this in a prettier bowl and clean it up. And we're going to say, happy saving those things in my refrigerator. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.